The first thing we need to do when wiring up the outdoor unit of the HP290 is to ensure that the rotary isolator is above the height of the unit casing. This is due to the R290 refrigerant used within the unit. Next up, we need to remove the 6 screws that retain the PCB cover to allow access to the circuit board. 2 cables are required to be connected here. The first is an appropriately sized main power cable from the external rotary isolator and a 5-core shielded Cat5 cable that connects our outdoor unit to the control box located within the property. Cables must be routed through the cable entry points at the rear of the unit and through the glands located under the circuit board and to their appropriate connections. The main power cable from the rotary isolator connects in live, neutral and earth at the main power connection, and our 5-core must be routed through a separate gland to prevent any interference and connects to T1, T2 and E1 on the bottom row of connections underneath the main board, and then XHA and XHB just above. These connections correspond with the same named terminals within the indoor control box we'll look at in the control box video. Please remember that the heat pump must have power for a minimum of 6 hours prior to activation of the heating to protect the compressor.